Coming up, most people are not failing at ads. They're actually failing at creating enough good creatives. And I'm about to show you a tool that not only will help you get rid of the camera, skip the tiresome process of hiring creators, and still produce content that converts. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com, the place you go when you want action-packed content related to helping you grow your app downloads. More importantly, those revenues. And to scale any type of app, you're gonna need at a certain point, especially these days, some paid media through potentially social media, TikTok, whether it's paid or organic. And I know you've heard this on Twitter and in the internet sphere, but having UGC, user-generated content, really helps you from a paid perspective and an organic perspective. But I've tried to hire some real-life folks to create UGC videos, and unfortunately, it is very tiresome. Literally, you need one person to manage the entire process. So I'm about to show you a tool that's going to help you create authentic, real UGC content in minutes versus the hours you'll have to spend managing a real life person. No matter what industry you're in, whether you're an agency owner, whether you're an online shop owner like an e-commerce shop, or you're just a B2B service agency, you're going to need to provide UGC content. Like me, real life person. All right? Okay, enough talk. Shall we show off the tool? All right, here it is. It is CreateUGC.ai. Now, a lot of their examples are going to be product focused. So physical product focus, you see here, snacks, water bottle, an iPhone, but trust me, it works for iPhone apps as well. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a little bit. I just want to highlight some of the stats. CreateUGC turns any product into high converting ads in seconds, 5.7 more sales versus static ads, 2.1x ROAS, double your money, and then 97% lower production costs versus creators. Trust me, we've actually went through a 2-month process of using one of the popular creator tools to manage some creators and find the influencers we need for our app. Literally, it was a pain in the butt, and some of the videos just really didn't do well. So it is a huge pain in the butt. What I would like to do is just test out the messaging, use AI to help refine the messaging. And then if you find a script that works, either double down with AI or find a creator, but you need speed, right? You need enough good creatives for Meta, for any paid social media campaigns to work. So speed is the name of the game. Quantity, quality, and speed. Those are the name of the game. All right. Let's get into the product so you can get started or log in. Here's the get started feature. Now I'm already logged in because I've got an account here. You can see I've created a couple of different videos already for our app Paraphrase AI, but I'm going to show you how simple it is. Right? So I'm going to click new video. Now, if you are an e-commerce shop owner, you can put any of your products in here. They're integrated with a ton of different popular tools, including Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, Costco, Walmart, Target, eBay, and so much more. Okay, so if you are a real physical product owner, shop owner, then you can easily just paste your product in here. But for all us app folks, we're going to use add product manually. So I'm just going to put my app, Paraphrase AI, here. Product description goes right here. We just launched a brand new feature for our app Paraphrase AI that allows you to just speak in your native language, and we will paraphrase it, rewrite it in English. So I'm super excited about this, and I want to promote this feature. All right. Now, I took a screenshot of the main feature, and so I'm going to upload that here. You can see, you can speak your mind and it'll translate and reword it into English. So I think it's pretty cool. All right, we're going to hit continue. I want a 15-second. Generally, 8 to 15 seconds is pretty good. So I'm going to keep it at 15 seconds. This is going to help CreateUGC come up with the right script. Now we get to be a casting director and pick our favorite avatar. So what I typically like to do is keep the script the same, but change the influencer. All right. So you can pick, and you can go gender, ethnicity, and all that stuff. I'm just going to kind of go through some of these folks here. I want to try to find somebody. So maybe I'll pick a guy. I've already created a woman. So I'm going to pick this guy. He's got an iPhone already. So I'm going to pick him. All right. They'll generate the script. Now, I've already created some videos with this, and it is this script. So let me copy and paste this script. It's very similar to what this script has. I'm going to paste it in there. I used to waste so much time typing and editing and my writing in English. With CreateAI, I just talk in my own language and it transforms it all perfectly written. You have to check this out today. All right, pretty cool script. This was something that Create UGC actually created for us. So you can actually put it into ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude to get your 15-second script, but I like what they created. Pretty much exactly what I want to hit on in terms of the feature and benefits. All right, so I'm gonna hit next. Here's my screenshot, right? You can talk about it. Hit generate. It's only 15 seconds. So here it goes. Now I'm gonna create another one. While that's going, I'm gonna create another one. Same thing. I'm gonna copy and paste everything here again. Now, I want to pick somebody different. I always feel like females probably get a higher click-through rate and a hook rate, so I'm going to try to find another female. All right, let's try her. Got a brunette, now a blonde, and a dude. Pretty good. All right. Again, I'm going to put my script in there. I'm keeping the script the same. Confirm and generate. That easy. Now I can continue to do this over and over and over again till I actually refine that script and find the right influencer that's going to actually help me scale my app. All right, with Paraphrase, super easy. You can hit these and just download it. You can even edit it in here. So if you wanted to add captions, like definitely add a caption, okay? You can add some text. You can do it in your favorite video editor as well, or you can just do it within Create UGC. So you can kind of change the text here. This. So I'm going to write, if English isn't your first language, you need this app. Okay. Probably too long. So I could probably just come up with something better here. But yeah, I'm going to stick with that for now. And you can change the style. So I'm going to change the font size a little bit to make it bigger. And then I can make it regular here. Put it right here. I want to make it, when you are putting text, you want to make it so that it fits in a square as well. So just keep that in mind as you're doing that. I'm going to kind of put it right here. And it's only going to stay for the first few seconds. And you can do that. So you can do it in your favorite video editor, but you can also do it here if you really want to. All right. Here, you can do captions. So if you want to do captions instead, you can do that here, or you can do it on your favorite social media app as well. That's it. All right. A few more things I want to show off within Create UGC, and it's this avatar section. So you can do video reaction. Those are very popular, especially if you're trying to nail down that script and you want to figure out which script is going to work the most. Just put the entire script, make it a little bit shorter than what I had written, but put the entire script with a reaction video. Those really work because people want to read. So it gets a really high hook rate, and you can figure out which script is actually going to get the clicks and the downloads. Because while they have these reaction videos have a really high hook rate, they may not have the best click-through rate. All right. So you can kind of refine your script and your messaging with these reaction videos. Again, they get really good hook rates. You can do product in hand. So if I'm selling a lotion or a tech gadget, you can do these, or an app, right? You can do these product in hand. That's what we're going to want. The other thing you can do is create images in here. So you don't got to go to Gemini, Nano, Banana. You can create your own little assets, text to image right here. And then lastly, you can get inspiration. So what types of videos are working today? So you don't have to go to the Facebook ads library or check out any of the ad libraries that are out there. You can do that within Create UGC. Get some inspiration before you actually create your own content. Okay, I almost forgot to tell you this one last thing. So avatar and script, you can use this to just pretty much do a more like educational piece if you want to do that and test that out. And so if you just want no products in hand or no products whatsoever, that's the spot for you. All right. All right. That is it. Really cool tool. Again, it is CreateUGC.ai. We are testing it out on our end for our apps, and we're literally running these creatives as our own ads. And I want to see how well they perform. But I got to tell you, the biggest game changer is being able to create UGC content quickly, a lot more quantity, and without the headaches of working with real people. Okay, like it is a huge headache. I know you might hear on Twitter, hey, I use X, Y, and Z company to find all these influencers, and now my app is doing 1 million ARR, MRR, all that stuff. But trust me, you don't understand how difficult it is to manage people until you actually do, especially some of these creators. So once again, go check out CreateUGC.ai, part of the Fiverr family. Pretty cool. All right. Use the link in the description below so you can get a free trial to the product so you can start testing out the creatives that are hopefully going to unlock your app and allow it to scale to your hopes and dreams. All right, check this video out. I'm going to hit play.
I always struggled turning my ideas into perfect English emails until I tried Paraphrase AI. I just speak and it instantly rewrites everything for me. Seriously, it saves me so much time. Go download it now.
All right, I'm gonna link up a few of the other videos that Create UGC was able to create for my app so you guys can check out the final product. All right, that's it. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.